Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. In this class, we will see some problems on law of conservation of momentum. So, in this, we said total momentum is always constant, and we gave how to apply the equations in previous class. Now, we will see one or two problems on this how to apply the equation because this is very important concept. Now, see this question. An explosion breaks a rock into three parts in a horizontal plane. Two of them go off at right angles to each other. The first part of mass 1 kg moves with speed 12 meter per second. Second part 2 kg with 8 meter per second. Third part 4 meter per second. Then its mass they asked. So it is divided into total three pieces. Two pieces are moving M1, V1. Another one is going to move M2, V2. They gave at right angles. Right angles means angle between these two is 90 degrees. Then what is the resultant of these two? Resultant of these two will be like this. Then how the third particle is going to move means definitely it should be quite opposite to this P. That is going to be, we will assume P3, third one. If it is P1, P2, P is resultant of P1 and P2. What is the resultant of P1 and P2 means? Root of P1 square plus P2 square. This P should be equal and opposite to P3. Therefore, M3V3 is equal to root of M1V1 whole square plus M2V2 whole square. So, what they are asking here? M3 they are asking. So, M3 into what is the velocity of third one means 4. Root of M1V1 1 into 12. 12 square plus 2 into 8. 16 square. Therefore, 4M3 is equal to 144 plus 256. How much it will be? 10. 2 plus 1, 3, 400. So, root 400 means 4M3 is equal to, how much you got? 400. So, it is going to be 20. Then, what is M3 means? 5 kg. Understood? So, this is simple problem by applying resultant of these two momentums. Next, see the next problem. In this, a body of mass 1 kg initially at rest. Therefore, what is the initial momentum? M into 0 means 1 kg into 0. Initial momentum is 0. Now, this 1 kg is divided into three fragments of masses 1, 1, 1 is to 1 is to 3. That is nothing but M1 is to M2 is to M3 is equal to 1 is to 1 is to 3. So, this 1 is to 1 is to 3, you can assume M is to 3M. So, if you add all these masses M plus 3M, how much you should get? That should be equal to 1 kg. Therefore, 5M is going to be 1, M is going to be 1 by 5. Therefore, ratio you will get 1 by 5, 1 by 5, 3 by 5. So, M1 is 1 by 5, M2 is 1 by 5, M3 is 3 by 5. Now, two pieces of equal masses fly off perpendicular to each other. Equal masses means again M1 and M2, M1, V1, M2, V2. So, what is the angle between these two? 90 degrees. So, resultant of this one, P. So, third one should be moving quite opposite with resultant momentum, that is with P. So, this is going to be M3, V3. Understood? Again, this one also same problem but small change. P3 is going to be, they are asking momentum of heavier fragment. Heavier fragment means M3, V3. Therefore, M3, V3 is equal to, so resultant of M1, V1, M2, V2 is going to be, So m1v1 whole square plus m2v2 whole square. What is m1 here? We are taking it as m1 as m. Therefore, m, what is velocity they gave? V naught. mv naught whole square plus mv naught whole square. Therefore, root 2 mv naught. So this is going to be P3 or M3 V3. Now what is small m here? Some students will get confused here only. What is small m means we got here 1 by 5. Therefore root 2 by 5 V naught. They asked for momentum now, therefore they will be searching for mass here. Here mass value is 1 by 5. So to forget this one, they will give initially. Initially only they will give this 1 kg. So we will think about here how to substitute this m. So this is the answer. E naught by 5 root 2. This is going to be second option. So recoil velocity of the gun means you will apply very easily. So mv plus mu is going to be 0. Initially it is at rest. Capital M is mass of the gun. V is recoil velocity, mass of the bullet, initial velocity of the bullet. If you apply this, you will be getting mv is equal to minus mu. V is going to be minus mu by capital M. So negative sign represents it is going to move backwards. I hope you people understood these problems. Thank you.